In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Power BI for free. Stay tuned. Welcome to Business Technology Made Simple, where we discuss current business technology trends, interview business professionals, and discuss ways that you can improve your business. Whether you work for a large enterprise or just starting your own business, I hope to provide you with valuable information that will help you grow as a business leader. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can download Power BI for free. So you go to a browser, open up your browser, search for Power BI Desktop. Click on Downloads. And if you have a Microsoft account, you can download it with using the App Store, or if you don't, click on Advanced Download Options. Once this opens, you click on Download. This is just two different options. If your computer's a 64-bit, these are typical computer. Try this one first. If it doesn't work, you can try the other one. Click the box, click Next. It'll download the exe file, and you can install it. The other way you can do it is if you just click on Download. You have a Windows computer, it'll pop up in the App Store, and then you just click Download. I've already downloaded it. I've got it ready to go. Then you can look into your applications and it will be there. Type in Power BI. Stay tuned for some next videos. I'm going to show you how you can use Power BI and leave suggestions if you have any specific features of Power BI that you have questions about. Thank you.